Welcome to this important tutorial. Today we are going to see how to sign a PDF document with a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat DC. First of all, download and install Adobe Acrobat DC from its original website for free. To sign a document digitally, first you will need to draw your signature on a piece of paper with a marker or another pen with a large line, connect, or you need to draw it using Adobe Pen Drawer inside your PDF document. Let's start with the first step. Take a photo of your signature and send it to your computer through mail, Bluetooth, or USB connection. In this video, we will use USB to transfer the signature image from my phone to my Windows PC. Once you have received the signature in your PC, make sure to save it in any location you wish: desktop, documents, or downloads. Here, I saved mine in the documents. Now, let me open the signature image. Yes, here it is, saved as JPEG document in the document folder. Navigate to wherever you saved your PDF document and bring it up. You can see mine here. So there are two ways to do this, and both are very simple. Look at the top left of your document. Click on the Edit tab or navigate a bit to the right to a pull-down menu with an arrow tab at the top. Move down and click on the last tab. It says Sign a Document. Here, you will see all the signature images in your system displayed for you to choose. Click on your preferred image and point your mouse to any location where you want the signature to be and drop it there, or press Enter to paste it there. You can resize it to your taste by dragging the image lines as I'm doing. So I just selected the signature image we created from the beginning. Before I show you the second step, I would want you to please support us by subscribing to this channel. Your support will go a long way in motivating us to do more free tutorials of this nature.
The second approach involves clicking on the e-sign tab at the top of your screen. This again displays all signature images in your Windows PC. Again, select your preferred image by clicking on it and placing it where you want it to be. That's all. Simple, right? Finally, let me show you how to digitally sign your PDF document without uploading signature images. It's quite simple. Click on either the Edit or e-sign tab as you did initially. Again, your signature images will appear. Since we are not interested in using manually signed signature images, we will just click on X on any of the displayed images. While it removes the image, another prompt, "Click to add image," will appear, as you can see. Click on it and this interface with three options will be displayed. To write your signature in form of letters, choose the first one. To draw your signature using drawing pen, click on option 2. Here, hold your mouse tight and draw your signature. I just drew mine. Click Save to save it to your folders for future use. To add it to your PDF document, select Apply and you will be taken to the PDF document where you will just place it at any place. You can also resize it to match the signature space. Once you are done, make sure to save your document. It's that simple. Also, from this interface, you can as well bring up your scanned or manually signature images. Just click on the Image tab, select the signature, click Apply, and paste at the appropriate location on the document. That is it. Please subscribe, like, and share this video if found this tip valuable. Thanks for your support. See you in the next video.